Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start in the game's title screen, and you must confirm the edition and console region because language options vary by release. Once done, back up your save to cloud or USB so you can restore if anything goes wrong. Next, inspect the initial settings menu. Some releases let you change text and voice separately. You'll proceed with identifying whether the desired language is included locally or requires an external patch or console-level change. You now attempt the actual switch inside Persona5 Royal by opening options and checking text and voice language entries. Change them and confirm. If the in-game choice is absent, change your console system language and restart the game because many versions inherit the console locale. Once restarted, verify menus and subtitles. If the game still lacks the target language, install official DLC language packs or apply region-appropriate updates. You finish by loading a save and playing a short scene to confirm both text and voice are correct. Check tutorial text, battle UI, and voice lines. If something is wrong, revert to your backup and repeat the console locale or update steps. Make sure DLC is activated in the console store. If language still fails to appear, prefer official patches or re-download the game region update rather than using unofficial mods which can break trophies or cloud sync.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.